Hello, and welcome to New England Escapades. Today we took a trip to Haunted Happenings in Salem, Massachusetts. Here's what we learned on our adventure. In 1982, Salem planned the first Salem Haunted Happenings festival during Halloween weekend. It was an effort to provide family-friendly events for the guests who were interested in visiting the infamous Witch City. Following the first festival's success with about 50,000 guests in attendance, the annual event has continued to grow each season, drawing visitors from around the world. Today, members of the modern pagan and witch communities have a home in Salem, where Samhain is celebrated each October, recognizing the end of the harvest season and the coming of winter. Salem's modern witches have the unique opportunity of being able to share their beliefs and celebrations with visitors who come to celebrate the Halloween season in Salem. Taking place right in downtown Salem on a closed-off portion of Essex Street, Haunted Happenings is a collection of vendors and performances, along with discussions on witchcraft and related topics at a variety of nearby venues. An indoor mall promises a number of haunted houses and psychics, and there are even film screenings at nearby Cinema Salem. All throughout, a number of walking tours cover Salem's dark history. Speaking of which, there are far too many details about the witch trials of 1692 to discuss here. The events surrounding it were politically dense, and out of respect for the victims of this terrible occurrence, we will try to condense the events into a bite-sized soundbite. In order to learn more about the trials while in Salem, we would recommend visiting the Salem Witch Museum, which covers the events in depth. For additional historical perspective, the home of Jonathan Corwin, a magistrate during the trials, still stands just outside of the downtown area further down Essex Street. Now known as the Witch House, this building is the only one in Salem with any relevance to the trials still standing. If you're a fan at all of the spooky season, Salem's Haunted Happenings is a fun and family-friendly way to get into the spirit, no pun intended. Traffic is usually pretty rough getting into Salem in October, so we'd recommend taking the commuter rail if at all possible. If not, just plan extra time for traffic and finding parking. We had good luck parking at the commuter rail lot, as the downtown garages were all full during our visit. Haunted Happenings is about an hour from Boston this time of year, but when you get there, there's so much to see and do that the trip will be worth it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep on adventuring.